Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Right now, me and Sisi are trying to make Momo. Momo is like a traditional food from China actually, but Sisir from Nepal, he claimed it as his kind of traditional food.
No, I'm not claiming.
Yeah, but Momo is actually a very good dish. Yeah, it's a dish, right?
I already had it. You can say like.
Okay, and then what is that? What is that from? How do we make Momo actually?
Flour. This is a flour.
Yeah, this is flour.
We mold it.
We mold it like this?
And we put inside what we said. It's a meat.
It is meat and vegetables and everything.
And spices.
Okay, actually we can just keep everything inside like this. We can just add vegetables, vegetables, meats, and other ingredients. And for Indian ingredients, what kind of masala we use? Garam masala?
Garam masala, chicken masala. These are the spices, and you can put some oil. And
what else?
And you can put some coriander.
Coriander, I see.
Yeah, but we don't have that. And green chilies.
Actually, garam masala things and masala things, it is quite rare to be found in Indonesia, but it can be found in Indian store, right?
Yeah.
In here we can find it, and the price is like, for one garam masala, the price is 5 zloty. 5 zloty is how much? Multiplied by 5. It is around 20,000 rupiah for one garam masala. Now, garam masala is like this. This is curry masala for chicken, especially for chicken. If you make something with chicken, you can put this masala. And then, what is this? This is Kloe masala. I don't know what is it. What is it actually?
It's a chole masala. It's used to make gram curry.
Oh, gram curry.
Yeah.
And we add chili. It is not masala, right? It is just
chili,
dry chili.
African chili.
African chili, sure. And then we mix everything. And we do this.
Design like this. But I'm not good in designing.
I'm good at it. Actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You want to see what I have created? Look. This is what I created. It looks great actually.
Yeah.
I just learned it like 3 times, right?
Yeah.
Really? Do I made it for 3 times and I make it perfectly?
Zen is genius.
We have to steam it?
Yeah, steam maybe for 8 to 10 minutes.
Really?
Yeah.
Because previously I wait for 15 and 20 minutes.
If you boil it more, then it will get like the pack will be broken.
Oh.
You cannot have it properly, so
okay.
You have to
wait until
10 minutes, maximum 10 minutes, I think.
And then for the pickle, I think I want to show you guys the pickle. Pickle is kind of
yeah.
What? Yeah, I make it. Pickle.
Come in our hostel, man.
Yeah. Pickle is kind of sambal sauce or something like that. It is made of
tomato.
Yeah, made of tomatoes.
Garlic leaves.
Onion
leaves.
And then
chili,
what? And then what else?
And we need to add salt according to your taste. And it must be spicy. That's all.
It must be spicy.
Yeah.
But you guys, and then we blend it, right?
We blend it. Yeah.
We blend it
in a mixture, and then we can add some water to make it more. To make it more loose, you know.
Yeah, I see. Okay.
And we after it get cooked, we dip in there and we'll eat it.
Okay, just like that.
Yeah.
I think we can eat this with rice, right?
Yeah, it's possible.
It depends on our,
taste. Yeah.
But if I were you, I would give some sugar. I will add some sugar to it. No, with sugar it will be more tasty. The momos are done now, so we are going to try to eat this momo. I don't know whether it's delicious or not, but I will let Cecil eat first.
This is the pickle.
Yeah, this is the pickle.
Actually, this is just a mixture of
tomatoes,
yeah, chili, and garlic leaves. So
but you didn't add masala things.
No, I didn't add masala. We are not adding masala here.
It will be so
because
funny.
We already added
in momo.
Yeah. So now I'm eating it.
Yeah.
I like to eat in this way.
Yeah.
I'll break it. I'll put some pickle here.
Yes, and then
Oh, it's mouth-watering.
Okay.
It's very hot, I think.
You have to eat that.
Thank you, Lord.
How is it? Is it hot?
It's delicious.
It's delicious?
Ah.
Oh my god. You make me want to eat that.
Try it, man.
No, no. I will take by myself later.
So good. But I like the buff Momo.
What is that? Buff Momo?
Buff is more tasty.
Buffalo
Momo. Yeah.
Okay.
It is very popular in Nepal. We don't eat beef there.
Ah, okay. Okay, that's delicious. Okay guys, I think it is what we already made, and thank you so much for joining us today making Momo, and I hope we can make something like this again in the future.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.
See you.
See you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.